Hi, I'm Derek. Welcome to Kixie in a Minute. Today we're setting up a speed to call automation inside HubSpot. Perfect for any use case where leads are coming in live. Think website forms, meta ads, even abandoned carts. Here's the magic. The moment a new lead enters HubSpot and ownership is assigned, Kixie can automatically trigger an outbound call to that lead instantly. That means your team connects while interest is still fresh and you stay top of mind. Check it out. So what we're gonna do is open up the workflow portion of HubSpot. So in our case, we are just gonna use the data value every time a new record is created. So I'm gonna do a new contact record. And now I'm gonna click next. Now, obviously you can choose additional filters or conditions that meet your criteria, whether it's a specific place the lead came from, a meta ad, maybe an abandoned cart. But in this case, I'm just gonna click next to keep this a little bit simple. Once you have that trigger set, you can type in Kixie in the actions portion and select Kixie make a call. This is the automation that you're gonna use to trigger that phone call. In the number to dial section, you'll type in phone number. And in the owner section, this can be different, but in this case, I'm going to use contact owner. Display name, this is what's gonna be displayed for your agent when the inbound call is coming in to trigger the automation. We're gonna go ahead and put speed to lead, so they know this is someone who just filled out that web form and this is that speed to lead action being generated. And simple as that, at this point, anytime that website form is filled out, it will trigger that new lead to come into your CRM, which in this case will trigger the make a call automation to begin. And that's it. You've now got a speed to call workflow that instantly connects your reps with new leads the moment they hit HubSpot. Whether those leads come from your website, paid ads, or anywhere else, Kixie makes sure your team is first to call automatically. Fast, easy, and built to convert. Thanks for watching Kixie in a Minute.